I just got the email from the landlord. Her rent is going up again.
How much this time?
Another $200. I mean, seriously, every year it's more. Yeah, I know. Rent in the city is crazy. Maybe it's time we finally start looking for a new place. I think you're right. I can't keep paying almost half my paycheck just for this tiny apartment. Okay, let's sit down tonight, check some listings, and figure out what we can afford.
Okay, so this one says $1,600 a month for a 2-bedroom near downtown. That's a bit more than we want, but it looks nice. Yeah, but check the photos. The kitchen is tiny. I don't even see a dishwasher. True. And look at this one, $1,400, 2 bedrooms, slightly farther out, but it has a dishwasher and a washer-dryer in unit. That's tempting. Do you want me to call and set up a showing? Definitely. Let's see it in person before we get our hopes up.
Hi, welcome. This is the unit I mentioned.
Thanks. So, first impressions? The living room is bigger than I expected, but the carpet is kind of worn. And this closet, it's really small. Yeah, storage might be an issue. How's the neighborhood? Looks okay. Not bad. Not amazing. I'd say it's safe.
Maybe we keep looking. Oh, wow, look at this kitchen. Granite countertops and a decent-sized island.
Yeah, I like it. And there's a garage. That's a plus.
The rent is $1,450. That's pretty reasonable.
Agreed, but check out the windows. All single pane. Winter's gonna be cold and noisy.
True. Maybe we ask if the landlord would replace them. Okay, first things first, closets. Wow, these are bigger than I thought.
Yeah, plenty of storage. Way better than our current place.
And the kitchen cabinets. Look at all this space.
I love that there's a pantry, too. We could actually organize stuff properly.
Bathroom's nice too. Shower looks clean and new.
Hot water works fast, too. That's always a plus.
So, the lease says partial utilities included. Which ones exactly?
I think water and trash, electricity and internet are on us.
Got it. Heating seems efficient, though. That's important for winter.
Definitely. No surprise bills then.
Oh, should we ask about cable? Just in case. They allow cats, right?
Yep, confirmed. No dogs, though.
Makes sense. Some buildings are strict about that.
And the lease mentions quiet hours from 10 p.m. Fair enough.
Good. I don't want noisy neighbors all the time.
All right. Apartment A is cheaper but smaller. B has bigger kitchen, garage, and closets.
Commute is the same, though. Honestly, I'd pay a little more for B.
Yeah, I agree. B feels more practical. Plus, natural light is better in B. Okay, decision made. B it is.
Here's the lease, $1,450 a month, 1-year term, partial utilities included.
Looks good. Security deposit?
1 month's rent, right?
Yep, late fee is $50 after the 5th of each month.
Perfect. Let's sign it. Where should we start? Living room or kitchen? Kitchen first. Plates, glasses, and all those tiny things. Bubble wrap and tape ready. Don't forget to label boxes by room or unpacking will be a nightmare. Good call. This couch is heavy. Let's wait for the movers on this one. Boxes are everywhere. How did we accumulate so much stuff?
I have no idea, but the lamps and fragile stuff need extra care.
Almost done with the kitchen boxes.
Movers arrive in 30 minutes. Essentials bag ready? Laptop, Chargers, snacks. Check. Keys, paperwork, and some cleaning supplies. Got it. Okay. Breathe. Deep breath. New adventure starts now.
Watch the couch. Don't scratch the walls. Boxes stacked. Careful with fragile ones. Last box in. Truck is full. Great. Now let's hit the road.
Finally, almost there. Wow, it actually feels like home.
Bigger living room, better kitchen.
Love it. Rent isn't killing us anymore. Finally, some breathing room.
And we still have weekend unpacking to do.
Cheers to a fresh start.